Hello there, it's Liz Cook here, your independent Norwex consultant, and today I want to talk to you about our fabulous Safe Haven 5 package. It's a really good place to start with Norwex when you're looking to get involved with us and find out how fabulous our products are, because each one of these 5 products has multi-functions but will really set you off and get you off to a great start with Norwex in your home. Basically at Norwex we're all about using products that are better for the environment, better for your health, aren't using anything toxic for you to inhale, ingest. So basically you are creating a much healthier environment for you and your family. The Safe Haven 5, I want to start first of all with our flagship product, the EnviroCloth, which is where our company began 26 years ago now. And it is a super duper top of the range microfiber cloth. Why is ours different? Well, it's a little bit like saying microfiber is the same thing as a car. There are huge differences between brands. Microfiber can be very thin and flimsy, and in effect the fibre can be quite thick, which means that you have less in the cloth and less picking up and cleaning power. This here is the supreme top end of the range of microfiber. We know we're world-class leaders, and we're that for 3 reasons. Our cloths are different. Primarily the fineness of our fibre. So as I've already mentioned, the conventional brands are probably somewhere around 1/6 the size of a human hair to be defined microfibre, which is actually quite thick when I tell you that ours is 1/200th of a hair. That's really, really fine. And what it means is that we can weave so much more fibre into a cloth, and it means that therefore you have more grabbing and trapping action as the microfibre passes over the surface. And we know that just with water, our microfiber will remove 99% of the bacteria from a work surface, mechanically removing it, not chemically killing it, which you would use with an antibac spray, etc. So you've got the fineness of the fibre, which makes a really dense cloth. And then last but by no means least, as you'll see on the label here, we have this patented product called Baclock, and that is microsilver that's embedded in the fibre at the point of manufacture. And what it does is it self-purifies the cloth. So it inhibits bacterial growth, it stops bacteria from growing within it, and providing you rinse it out and leave it to air dry between uses, within 24 hours, all bacteria growth is inhibited. So you won't ever get a mouldy, smelly, stinky cloth, providing you've left it to dry. And this can be used in pretty much every surface in your home. And if, like me, you love this cloth with a passion, you'll want more than one in your home. And the good news is we do lots of different colours, so you can kind of colour code. So you might want one to use in your loos, one to use in the kitchen, one to use in your utility, etc. So fabulous. So we always use this one wet, and you'll notice that I'm going to fold it, and I'm going to use it in a moment just to demonstrate. But we also have a fabulous second microfiber cloth, and these work very closely in tandem. If I hold up the fibre of the EnviroCloth, you can see that that's quite textured, whereas the window cloth here is much finer, it's silkier and smooth. And this makes a brilliant, brilliant polishing cloth. And the two together work fantastically in tandem. So you remove the dirt from the surface with the EnviroCloth, and you follow on with the window cloth to give a really fantastic smear-free finish on all surfaces like granite, like glass, like mirror, chrome, stainless steel, anything where you want to buff and shine. This product works fantastically, and obviously does windows in an absolute cinch. Now on my mirror here, I've got some, I've smeared on some coconut oil. Now this could be grease from cooking, it could be mess from toothpaste and floss flick in the bathroom. Wherever you've got to clean the surface, I'm just showing you on the mirror here. So I'm going to use the wet EnviroCloth. I folded it flat, and I'm just going to go over the mirror, and the grease is gone. It's absorbed into the cloth, but I've got little water droplets left here, so I'm just going to use the window cloth, and I'm just going to go over really easily, and that's just dried all those water droplets off to give a fabulous smear-free shine. So much better than it was at the beginning. Really easy, you don't break a sweat, and you can really crack on with cleaning. So whether you love it or hate it, it's a job that's done efficiently, which I love. So those are great for cleaning your surfaces. Dusting, This product is fantastic for allergy sufferers as well as those who hate dusting because it's such a chore. This is our fabulous dusting mitt. It works on static, so you rub it on itself like this to create a static charge, and then you literally dust any surface. It's very easy to use, it fits your hand, you can easily curve around awkward areas like spindles of stairs or Venetian blinds or shutters, which are quite dusty, they attract the dust quite a lot. And because you are actually removing the dust and trapping it into the cloth, it means there's a lot less for you to be doing week after week in your dusting routine. If you hate it like I do, it's so much more effective to use this baby here. I actually like using two, and if you're using two, you rub them together like so, and then you're ready to go. The reason why I like two is because we have lots of photographs and things, and I like picking up, I don't like to have to think about where I'm putting my hand on the picture frame, whether I'm making it greasy or not. Brilliant product, one of my customers' absolute favourites, and I know there'll be somebody watching now who loves this too, so give us a shout and let us know what you love about your product. So these three are absolute backbone of the cleaning in our house and for many customers of Norwex. The last thing I just want to talk to you about is our cleaning paste. This is a fantastic product. It's a solid. I will take it up to the camera so I can show you. You'll see it's a solid there. This will last you probably about 2 years. It has a really lovely smell. It's got marble flour and natural soap and traces of coconut oil in there, so it smells absolutely fantastic. And this is when you need a little bit more elbow grease. We politely call this the elbow grease in a jar. It's great for giving your trainers, which have gone a bit grass stained around the bottom, gives them a lovely boost and brings back the white sole. It's fantastic for tile grout if you've got a little bit of staining on that. It's great if you have button sinks and you need a bit more oomph with your clean than just using the EnviroCloth on its own. And it's really easy to use. You'd use with your wet EnviroCloth again, just wet, rub it over the surface. So you put it onto your cloth like so, and off you go. It's also really good for tarnish on silver frames or cups if you've got family members who have got lots of trophies. It's also fantastic there. Last but by no means least, UPP. This is a brilliant product. It's free from fillers, optical brightness, bleaching agents, SLSs, SLESs, phosphates, artificial dyes and fragrances, and it's not tested on animals. This bag here, a kilo bag, is just such good value. You can literally get 100 washes out of this tiny bag because you use so little. Do watch another video that will explain more to you about it, but I absolutely love this product and will never ever go back. And then since I've been using this product in my machine, it has never needed servicing, and I don't ever get mould in the drawer build up nor scum in the drum. Absolutely fabulous. And if you're a lover of liquid laundry as opposed to powder, then we do one of those too. This is non-biological, but we also do the same Safe Haven 5, but with a biological enzyme-based liquid laundry powder. Liquid laundry, not a powder. So there we have it. That is our Safe Haven 5 products explained for you.